Unlocking the power of expression in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, the power of expression. Understanding this can greatly enhance your communication skills. Whether you're chatting with friends, acing an interview, or presenting in front of an audience. So, let's explore what it means to truly express yourself in English and how you can master this art. The power of expression refers to the ability to convey your thoughts, feelings, and ideas in a clear, effective, and compelling manner. It's not just about the words you choose. It's also about how you deliver them, through your tone, pace, and body language. When you express yourself powerfully, you can connect with your audience, persuade them, and leave a lasting impression. A rich vocabulary is the foundation of strong expression. Knowing a wide array of words allows you to choose the most precise terms to describe your thoughts and feelings. But remember, it's not about using complicated or fancy words. It's about using the right words that your audience understands and relates to. We'll share tips on expanding your vocabulary and choosing words that pack a punch. The way you organize your thoughts is crucial. A well-structured message is easy to follow and more impactful. We'll discuss how to outline your ideas, use transitional phrases to connect them, and employ rhetorical devices, such as metaphors and analogies, to add color and depth to your expressions. Over 50% of our communication is nonverbal. Your body language, facial expressions, and even silence can speak volumes. Learning to use these effectively can amplify your verbal message or, if not aligned, can undermine it. We'll explore how to match your nonverbal cues with your words for more powerful communication. Improving your expression is a journey. We'll introduce exercises to practice your skills, from writing and storytelling to engaging in conversations and public speaking. Feedback is your friend here, so don't shy away from seeking opinions on your progress. Expressing yourself powerfully is a skill that can open doors, create opportunities, and enrich your relationships. Remember, the power of expression lies not just in what you say, but in how you say it. We hope this video inspires you to harness this power and use it to express your unique self in English. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.